I wouldn't say I'm a really conventional yoga teacher. I have found my teaching has really changed over the years, but I do have lots of students that really do love the traditional warrior flow. So I thought I'd record that for those of you out there that also enjoy the warrior flow. It can be a great opportunity to build some leg strength, side body stretching, hip stretching, as well as just helping you to better understand where you are in space. So if those things sound good to you, this warrior flow is for you. So we're going to start in our mountain pose. Breathing in the arms up. Breathing out, stepping the left leg back, coming into warrior one. Nice breath in as the hands reach up. Exhale, warrior two. Breathe in, turning that right palm towards the sky, painting the sky, peaceful warrior. Another breath in. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, back up to warrior two. Reverse your warrior. Warrior two. Triangle. Extended triangle. Rising back up, turning the right foot in, left foot also turns in, hands on hips, hinging forward at the hips, standing forward bend. Slowly rising back up, turn your left foot forward. Right foot turns forward slowly, warrior one on side two. Big breath in as your hands reach up. As you exhale, warrior two, side two. Left palm flips up, peaceful or reverse warrior. One more breath in, reaching, extended side angle. Back up to warrior two. Reversing the warrior. Triangle. Extended triangle. Rising back up, left toes turn in. You might roll those shoulders back, hinge at your hips, standing forward bend, straddle forward bend, head is heavy. You can toe heel those feet closer together. Slowly rise up, arms overhead, and hands to heart center. Repeat as needed. Hope you enjoyed this brief warrior flow.